Are you struggling with hearing issues and seeking a natural solution? ZenCortex offers a promising formula designed to optimize hearing health effectively. In a world filled with noise pollution and aging concerns, finding a reliable solution can be challenging. However, ZenCortex steps in with a blend of carefully selected plant ingredients, free from stimulants and non-habit forming, ensuring a gentle yet powerful support system for your ears. Before moving forward, it's essential to stress that ZenCortex is exclusively available through the official website. This ensures that you receive the genuine, top-notch product crafted with superior ingredients. Please take note of this critical detail and be sure to locate the official website link provided in the video description below. With over 20 meticulously chosen ingredients, including grapeseed, green tea, Gymnema sylvester, and more, ZenCortex targets various aspects of auditory health. Whether it's supporting healthy ears, improving blood flow, or maintaining a healthy inflammatory response, this formula covers a spectrum of needs crucial for optimal hearing function. The effectiveness of ZenCortex transcends age barriers, catering to individuals in their 30s to their 70s. Backed by modern scientific principles, its gentle yet potent formula ensures consistent results without any reported complaints. As your body adjusts to the ingredients, you'll likely notice reduced noise and improved ear health, contributing to an overall enhanced auditory experience. While individual results may vary, most users begin to feel the difference within the first week of consistent use. For optimal results, it's recommended to continue taking ZenCortex for at least 3 months. To facilitate this journey towards improved hearing, ZenCortex offers discounted packages, encouraging users to commit to their auditory health. To ensure customer satisfaction, ZenCortex provides a 60-day money-back guarantee, reflecting confidence in its product. Additionally, purchasing from the official website ensures authenticity and ingredient purity, while the secure payment gateway prioritizes customer privacy and security. By incorporating ZenCortex into your daily routine, you're not just investing in hearing support, but also in a commitment to a better auditory future. Click the official website link provided in the video description below.